Hello guys, my name is Enrique Larcon and I'm here in Dance Collective Westport and I'm going to teach you how to do batucadas for samba. So when you do batucadas, the first thing is that you have to play with your coordination. Samba is a rhythm from Brazil and it's all about the footwork, hip action, okay? So when we start here guys, work with your coordination. So you're going to start with your right foot. I'm going to mirror you, okay? 3 steps. When you are doing when you started with your right foot, you're going to go like if you are doing a ball change. Right, left, left, left. Go slow. Right, left, left. Make sure you use the ball of your feet. So when you're going to start is right, left. I recommend you to do the footwork first. Just work with the coordination. Then you will apply the hip action. Before you move your feet, you are going to move your hips. So you open your hip and you go right hip and you go right, left. Open the hip, right, left. Open the hip, left. Go slow, play slow samba music, and then you're going to start going right, left. Pa, samba, and you can go back, boom. Thank you guys, I hope this helped you. See you later.